This is what it looks like. Okay, very interesting. Let's see if it's worth it. Maybe I just don't remember what shrimp tastes like. I've been vegan for too long. I mean, the pasta's really good, so I'm just gonna eat some of the pasta. It's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. So today's video, I thought I would do a fun little taste test because I bought these little vegan shrimp things from a local shop here where I live in Calgary, and I bought them a while ago and I just kind of like chucked them in my freezer and I haven't tried them. So I thought it'd be fun to try it on camera for you, okay? So I can't really tell you what brand this is because the store, they just buy it in bulk and then they like sell it in smaller quantities. So I'm sorry I can't tell you, but I feel like, I don't know, probably like one company that makes all these vegan shrimp things. I don't know. Anyways, I made 3 different dishes, I guess, to try with this vegan shrimp situation. This is what it looks like. Okay, very interesting.
And there is the vegan shrimp. This is what it looks like straight out of the packaging. As you can see, it looks pretty realistic in my opinion. Now I do apologize because I don't know what brand this actually is. The store that I buy this from, I think they just buy it in bulk and then sell it individually packaged. So I don't know where it's from, but I'm sure you could find something similar, hopefully. Let me know in the comments if you'd be willing to try this.
It smells kind of fishy, I guess. Yeah, it's interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna try it like plain with nothing on it. I haven't added anything to it. I wish it kind of had that like cocktail sauce, you know, like the shrimp cocktail. Is it raw? Do people eat that raw? I think they do. I can't remember anymore. Oh my gosh, I've been vegan for too long. Anyways, I'm gonna try this out. These are not cheap, that's the thing. So let's see if it's worth it. It's not bad. The texture I think is pretty good. It's pretty realistic. I was afraid that this would have like no flavor, but it does. That's on its own. Now I want to try some tempura shrimp. So I made some air fryer tempura shrimp. I just followed some random air fryer shrimp recipe.
So this is how I made my vegan air fryer tempura shrimp. I feel like you can do this with like veggies as well, so that's fun. First, you want to make a batter by mixing together half a cup of flour with 3/4 cups of cold water or also cold carbonated water and 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo. So you just want to mix it well to create a batter. Then you need a dry mix of half a cup of flour again and half a teaspoon of salt. So just mix that well. And then all you have to do is start dipping your vegan shrimp pieces in the batter and then coating it with the dry mix. So again, the wet batter first and then coat it with the dry flour mix. And then you can put it in your air fryer at 350 degrees for around 8 minutes.
So this is mostly just flour and vegan mayo, dipped in more flour, so goodness. Now, I'm sure it would taste better if it was like deep fried, okay? But I don't deep fry things, I don't really know how to, so I air fried it. So I'm just gonna dip it in some soy sauce. Let's try it. You know what? I bet if we deep fried this, it would be so good. But you know what, it's pretty good. It gives you that same vibe, you know? Not bad. I feel like it can hit the spot. I also made a little shrimp salad roll, okay? I didn't put too much in it. I literally just put some greens and then just rolled it up, okay? It looks pretty legit, guys. Look at this. I mean, it's not the best rolling job, but you know, what can I do?
Next thing I thought of making is a salad roll because I always see shrimp in salad rolls. So yeah, I'm of course making a really lazy version with just the vegan shrimp pieces and then I just added in some mixed greens. Of course, you can add in carrots and peppers and all kinds of other stuff, but I got lazy, okay? I was just thinking it's kind of crazy how little I miss seafood after I made such a fuss about seafood. Before I went vegan, I was like, I can never give up fish. And here I am today. I still like trying this stuff though.
So I just made a little quick dipping sauce. This is just some PB2, so powdered peanut butter, some hoisin, and some lemon juice. That's how I usually make my dipping sauces, so let's try it. I really think the flavor is quite mild. So whatever you do with it, it's more likely the texture that you're gonna go after. And I feel like the texture is pretty good. It kind of reminds me of shrimp. And I think it goes well with a lot of dishes that you might normally use shrimp for. So this, like, it gives you that nice chew. The flavor is overpowered by the dipping sauce. Even, you know, regular shrimp, when you put it in a salad roll, it's kind of the same thing. Like, it's all about the texture, you know, just a small, mild flavor from the shrimp. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I just don't remember what shrimp tastes like. Now for the Alfredo. I made a little shrimp Alfredo. You guys, I used my 4-ingredient Alfredo sauce recipe. If you guys haven't tried it, I'll link it down below. It's so good.
So the next thing I wanted to try was making a pasta dish, and of course I made my delicious 4-ingredient vegan Alfredo, which I am obsessed with still. I'll link that recipe down below. So of course I tossed that with some pasta and added in that vegan shrimp and topped with some pepper.
Shrimp Alfredo, vegan. Okay. This one, honestly, it really is just about the texture. Let me try just the shrimp with a little bit of the sauce. I almost feel like when it's in here, I really can't taste anything from the shrimp. So I almost feel like the other ones are a little bit more, I don't know, you can taste it a little bit more. But this one, maybe the sauce is just overpowering the shrimp. But like, I mean, the pasta's really good. So I'm just gonna eat some of the pasta. Wait, I have an idea. Fusion. Okay, verdict. Very happy that these things exist in the world. I think depending on the recipe, it's worth it if you really miss that feeling of eating shrimp. The taste, again, is very mild, so you're not getting like a super fishy taste. I feel like they could probably make it a little bit more flavorful, a little bit more fishy. Yeah, it's definitely mild, but it gives you that same kind of sensation. You're eating, you know, fish maybe. It's kind of visually, you know, fish-like as well, shrimp-like. It's decent. Would I get it again? Would I eat it all the time? Probably not. Maybe I'd get it again if I wanted to make like a special dish. I kind of really enjoyed it in here, and I also enjoyed the tempura. I think it would actually be really good with deep fried tempura styles. Put it into like what do they call those rolls? Like a sushi roll or something. It could be really good. I don't know, what's my rating? Like 7 out of 10? So if you guys want to try it, I think it's worth giving it a try, especially if you miss seafood and if you're new to vegan. For me, I have been seafood free for like a long time, so I don't necessarily like need to replace it in my diet, but it's nice to have an option. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm also going to be doing a taste test with vegan salmon, like vegan salmon sashimi, and also vegan crab meat. I know, okay, like vegan imitation crab meat. So those two things I'm gonna be filming as well, so stay tuned for those. The links will be in here, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more taste test videos, if you enjoy these, because I love doing them because I get to eat a lot. So let me know. If you enjoyed this video, of course give it a big thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.